Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC in the graphical way using ZFS RAID-Z2 on 8 SAS drives. And so now I'll be installing Proxmox the GUI way with ZFS RAID-Z2 with double parity on 8 SAS drives. Let's go to the boot manager. And now let's select one-shot UEFI boot menu and let's select the second USB flash drive which contains the Proxmox ISO. Let's select the graphical way. And I select the license agreement and I choose disk options and I select ZFS RAID-Z2 and I'll select 8 SAS drives and I remove the USB drive and advanced compression and checksum are on. Now let's enter the regional settings, country. Let's switch to Dutch keyboard so I have AZERTY and enter a password and change it to a valid email address. Now select a valid network adapter, change the gateway address and a DNS server and a valid IP address. Now change the host name and we're ready to install RAID ZFS Z2. And we're finished installing. It's rebooting. And we have a special boot menu since this is a RAID. And if you look closely, you'll see ZFS already coming by. And Proxmox is booted. And if we log in, we have a certificate issue. We override, we accept, and we enter root and the password. And we have 8 disks, all with ZFS in RAID-Z2. And we have a Z pool of almost 10 TB with 8 disks in RAID-Z2. If we go to the shell, df-t, we can see it's ZFS. Z pool status shows us 8 disks with RAID-Z2. lbslk-f shows us all the drives. And so we've successfully installed Proxmox GUI with RAID-Z2. If you guys enjoy this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.